Hello everybody. Today I'll be working on the Toshiba Satellite L655-S5154. And here's the screen. As you can see, it's cracked. First thing you need to do is shut it off. And then if you see, on this model here, it has 4 screws. And there's screws behind these little stickers. And to remove those stickers, just get yourself a real small screwdriver or something with a little sharp edge on it. And all you do is just gently stick it in the corner, and the little sticker will come out. Okay, now that we have all the stickers off, we have easy access to the screws to remove the faceplate, the plastic faceplate. As you can tell, that you don't need any kind of special tools, just a small little Phillips head screwdriver will work. There's one screw. And just gently tip your laptop to get the screws out. Next you're going to do is stand it up on its side. Again, you can use a small little flat head. Probably going to want to pick a corner where you're not going to see any kind of scratches when you try to pry this thing open. So I'll just pick the bottom hand corner and gently stick the screwdriver in there and twist. And then you hear a little pop. And just keep working your way around gently. And just kind of stick your fingers in there and gently pull all the way around. Now in this model, the faceplate does not come completely off. You just kind of, once you get the bottom off here, it'll just kind of move forward a little bit. And this is as far as it'll go right here. Okay, now that we have the fascia off, you just want to gently pull the screen a little forward, and you'll have 6 screws all together. 1, 2, 3, and there's 3 on the other side. And again, it's just a basic Phillips head tip. Might be easier to tip it up on its side. One side, gently bring it down. You got 3 on this side. Okay. Okay, now that we have all 6 screws out, just gently pull your screen forward. And if you look on the bottom here, you'll have your connector. Just be very gentle. And there's like a piece of Scotch tape on there. It's not really Scotch tape, it's more like a packaging tape they stick on there so the plug doesn't come off during use. You just want to gently pull it back. Use my other hand so you can see. Just gently rip it off. Put it off to the side. And it's also like an adhesive on this gray little pull tab here. You just want to gently pull it up. very gently. There it goes, it's up all the way, and just give it a little tug. See? And it comes right off. Just kind of gently push it out of the way. And that should be the only connector on here. You just pull it up. There you go. And the screen is out. And here we have the new screen from laptopscreen.com, which is a pretty cool website. You just type in your model number of your laptop and do a little searching, and you should find your screen. And now we're going to gently place this in here, obviously with the connector side down like the old one was. Gently pull away your fascia, lower it in. And all you're going to do is reconnect that pin down there and gently just push it in once you get it lined up. That way you don't mess up any of the pins. It's just a little pressure, it'll snap. Now that we have the 40 pin connector in, just gently push down your ribbon here. You should have a little adhesive left on there from before. And just take your piece of tape and just reapply it. That way your pin doesn't come off again, or come off while you're using it. And there you go. Okay, now that we have the 40 pin connector reconnected on the back of the screen, next step is to reinstall the 6 screws on the side of the chassis. There's 3 here, there's 3 on this side. I also removed the protective cover. It'd be a little bit easier because the tape was wrapped around the edge, and if you were to put the screws in, it'd be hard to get the tape off. So alright, we're going to put the screws in, and starting with the top corner. Unfortunately, I don't have a magnetic screwdriver, so I'll have to do it the hard way just to get it started. And there's 1. And just repeat the process all the way down. 2, 3, and again on the other side. Now that we have all 6 screws in, 1, 2, 3, there's 3 on the other side, we're ready to put the cover back on. First thing you want to make sure is there's 2 little tabs, 1 there and 1 there. You want to make sure they're sitting on the little tabs. And then just gently squeeze together, and you'll hear all the snaps. Just go all the way around and gently just keep squeezing. And then down here until you stop hearing all the popping, and then it's in. Next step is to reinstall the 4 screws. 1 there, 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 and there. Okay, now we're just installing the last screw. Don't want to put them too tight because you don't want to strip them. You don't want to do any damage to it. And then of course the last step is to reinstall your little stickers so it looks all nice. And just gently push. Okay, we have everything installed, all 4 screws, and here comes the moment of truth. Or not. Okay. There it goes. No longer cracked. And again, you got this laptop screen at laptopscreen.com. You have an excellent selection, and all you need to do is type in your model number and do some searching.